Good day everyone and welcome to Dakshan's coaching classes. Today we will be starting with our new lesson, angles. In my last videos, I had told you how a line is drawn. A line, it starts from a point. Extended that point in one direction gives us a line. Now, when two lines, they originate from the same point. Have a look over here. This is a point P. A line is drawn, PA. Another line originating from the same point P. This is how there are two lines which originate from a single point, that is P, and makes an angle. So, an angle can be drawn of different measures. There are different types of angles as well. We will read this angle as angle BPA. P is the origin from where these two lines, they originate in different directions. This point P can also be called as your vertex. Point P can also be called as vertex. From this point, the two lines, they originate, that is PA and PB. Moving ahead, we move on to the next is the types of angles. The first type of angle is your acute angle. Acute angle. This is a line. Consider this to be a line. I open these two lines. This line is your base and the line that I am moving ahead. You can see an angle being formed. This angle whose measure is greater than 0 but less than 90 is called as your acute angle. So, any angle whose measure is greater than 0 but less than 90 can be called as your acute angle. So, let us write down the definition for acute angle. Any angle whose measure is more than 0 but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Angle AOB, you can see it is greater than 0 but the measurement is what? It is less than 90 degree. So, angle AOB is an acute angle. Moving ahead, the second type of angle is your right angle or the angle that measures 90 degree is called as your right angle. See, this is your right angle. Okay, so an L letter is your right angle. Let us quickly write down the definition for right angle. The second type of angle, right angle, an angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree is called as right angle. So, X, Y, Z. You always need to mark a 90 degree sign when you are drawing a right angle. So, I can say angle X, Y, Z is a right angle. Okay. Now moving on to the next type, that is your obtuse angle. The third type of angle, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is that angle whose measurement is more than 90. This is 90. An angle whose measurement is more than 90 but less than 180 is called as your obtuse angle. Okay. So, any angle whose measurement is more than 90 but less than 180 is called as your obtuse angle. So, we will quickly write down the definition for obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. So, any angle whose measure is greater than 90 but less than 180 is called as your obtuse angle. Now, I will be drawing an obtuse angle. P, Q, R. Angle P, Q, R is an obtuse angle. So, here the measure of the angle is more than 90 but it is less than 180. Now, if I extend this ray PQ further to a straight line, it will give me a straight angle. Okay. So, the next type is what? The fourth type of angle is your straight angle. Any angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree is called a straight angle. I draw the straight angle. Q, P, R. The same angle. This is your 180 degree. So, angle PQR is a straight angle. So, this is your straight angle. After the straight angle comes your reflex angle. So, this was your straight angle, a straight line. I extend this angle further. This is your reflex angle. So, any angle whose measure is greater than 180 but less than 360 is called as your reflex angle. Let us quickly define. Any angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called as your reflex angle. STU. You can see it is more than 180 but less than 360. So, it is called as what? It is called as your reflex angle. Angle STU is a reflex angle. Then moving on to the next type of angle is your complete angle. Complete angle. Now, you saw what is reflex angle. Now, when this line ST meets TU, it will be taking one complete rotation. That is called as your complete angle. Any angle whose measure is equal to 360 degree is called as your complete angle. So, an angle whose measure is equal to 360 degree is called a complete angle. Okay, so a complete angle is any angle whose measure is equal to 360 degree is called as your complete angle. I will be showing what exactly is your complete angle. Angle A, B, C is your complete angle. It starts from A and ends on A. So, angle A, B, C is a complete angle. The last type of angle is your zero angle. Now here how you will write down for zero angle. The angle has not started only. So any angle whose measure is equal to 0 degree is called as a zero angle. The angle whose measure is equal to 0 is called a zero angle. Okay, so an angle whose measure is 0 degree is called as your zero angle. So this is your point. Angle O, the measurement is what? It is 0. So it will be only a straight line. I hope, dear students, you have understood what are the types of angles. So in this class we studied about the various types of angles. We started from acute angle, then came your right angle measuring 90 degree, then your straight angle measuring 180 degree, then comes your reflex angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 is called as your reflex angle. Then we moved on further to write down for complete angle. Any angle whose measurement is equal to 360 degree is called as your complete angle. Last but not the least, but that is your zero angle. Any angle whose measurement is equal to 0 degree is called as your zero angle. Now starting with the practice set 2 from your maths textbook, page number 8, the first question is match the following. So the question says measure of angle, type of angle. So there are 4 angles whose measure is given. First one is 180 degree, the second one is 240 degree, the third one is 360 and the fourth one is your 0 degree. So on this basis 180 degree, as I told you, is a straight line. So the angle will be what? It will be your straight angle. So the first matches with B. 1B. The second one, 240. It is greater than 180, and according to the definitions, any angle whose measure is more than 180 is called as your reflex angle. So the second angle will be your reflex angle. 2 corresponds to your C, that is reflex angle. The third one is 360 degree. Means it is what type of an angle? It is a complete angle which it makes. So your third one, 360, the answer will be option D. Now we are left with 0 degree. It is option A. So 4, the correct option will be your option A. The second question of the same practice set says, the measures of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. So for that, I have made 2 columns, measure on one side and type of angle on the other side. The first measure is 75 degree. So it will be which angle? It will be your acute angle whose measure is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. So the first type of angle is your acute angle. The second one is 0 degree given. So the angle will be 0 angle. 125, it is greater than 180 degree. So it will be what angle? It will be your reflex angle. Reflex angle. 360 degree. One complete rotation is equal to 360 degree. So it will be your complete angle. 180 degree, a straight line. The angle's name will be straight angle. 120 degree, less than 180 but greater than 90. So it will be obtuse angle. (148 degree). Now here it will be again obtuse angle. The last one is your 90 degree. It will be what angle? It will be a right angle. Acute angle, 0 angle, reflex angle, complete angle, straight angle, obtuse angle and a right. The third question from the same practice set. Look at the figures below and write the type of each of the angles. So the first angle, is it greater than 90 or it is less than 90? It is less than 90. So it will be what type of angle? It will be an acute angle. So the answer to the first one is your acute angle. Coming to figure B, it is inverted, means it is upside down, but the sign itself it is telling you what type of angle it is. It is a right angle. The third figure, the arrow is showing in the downward direction. So it will be your reflex angle. The third one is your reflex angle. Figure D shows a straight line, but the arrow is pointing in the backward direction. So the angle will be your straight angle. Straight angle. A single line with a point means there is no angle being formed. It means it is a zero angle. The last one, figure F. There is an angle being formed with an arrow showing a complete angle that is being formed. Means 360 degree. 360 degree means it is a complete angle. It is your complete angle. The question says, use a protractor to draw an acute angle, a right angle and an obtuse angle. Now in your geometry box you have a D-shaped instrument that is called as your protractor. I will show you how it looks. This type of instrument, you can see it is a D-shaped instrument. It is given in your geometry box. With the help of a protractor, you need to draw an acute angle. Okay, so I will be showing you how an acute angle is drawn with the help of a protractor. As you all can see, I have drawn a line, a straight line OP. Now placing my pointer this on O, I will be drawing an angle whose measure is less than 90 and greater than 0. You can see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and from the other side also the same readings are given. I will place this pointer on O. Take any angle whose measurement is greater than 0. I have placed this pointer on O. It should be kept straight on the line. I mark an angle of 60 degree with the help of the protractor. Now with the help of a scale, I will be extending or joining that point so I have got an angle measuring 60 degree, angle SOP is an acute angle whose measure is 60 degree. So I will write it down, angle SOP equal to 60 degree is an acute angle. So the first one is understood. Now we move on to the next one, that is your right angle. Now figure B, right angle. First I draw a straight line with the help of a scale. YZ. Now here I keep the protractor on point Y, mark 90-degree angle. Then again with the help of scale, I will be joining point Y and the given point. Angle XYZ is my right angle whose measure is 90 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to 90 degree is a right angle. The last question of this exercise is to draw an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, the measurement should be more than 90 but less than 180. The same process we follow. First, draw a straight line with the help of a scale. BC. Obtuse angle, my dear student, measurement should be more than 90 degree. So, the same process we follow. Keep it on point B. More than 90 means towards the left hand side. So, I take it and mark it at 120 degree. ABC is measuring 120 degree and it is your obtuse angle. Angle ABC is equal to 120 degree is an obtuse angle. I hope, dear students, the practice set as well as the various types of angles that I told you in this class are understood. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Guru the Preparer is the name of my channel. Have a good day. Bye-bye.